high protein omelet, perfect for losing weight and getting your bulk on. I'm Chef Champion. Let's bring cooking back the way it used to be. Welcome to the new age of culinary learning. All right, we are here with my good friend Bill. He's got a great story to share, you guys. He's gonna be making one of these high protein omelets. He's got a grilled chicken breast, some super vegetables in the spinach, some bell peppers, some fresh cilantro, a little bit of mushrooms, red onion, good for your blood pressure, and a little bit of avocado, which is also a super fruit too as well. So yeah, why don't you tell us a little bit about your story, Bill? Very awesome.
All right. Back in 2014, I was severely overweight. So after my third sleep apnea injury on July 10th, 2014, I found myself at Bellin Hospital. And I had a quick dose of reality, found out too that I was 423 pounds.
Wow, 4 pounds?
Yes.
Wow.
423 pounds.
I don't see
I know.
But that's a great story because there's a lot of people out there that, you know, they eat all this bad food and they're gaining the weight and they just don't know how to stop the weight gain. Yeah. So we're telling the world the first thing you do is change your diet. The workout comes after. You gotta lose the weight and get healthy first before you can go into the gym and work that.
Completely agree.
Awesome.
I mean, that's the first thing is getting the nutrition right. Absolutely. Abs are made in the kitchen, folks. That's just the way it is.
I like that terminology. Let me turn this on for you. Would you like this on low or medium?
You know, like a good medium heat. Yeah, you know, it's, and we'll throw some avocado oil in there a little bit.
Yes, I know you said sometimes you use a coconut spray, which works well.
Yes, I do.
I'm using the Bellavato avocado oil because it's actually a super fruit too as well. A super vegetable, my bad.
That's right.
Avocado oil is high in all the omegas 3, 6, 9, vitamin B12, niacin. I mean, I can go on with all the antioxidants that's in there. So
from there, we'll just throw in the egg whites. Now, I usually measure out about either a quarter cup, half cup, or a full cup of egg whites.
We're cooking like champions. I think we can
just eyeball it. Let's eyeball it up.
Yeah, if it doesn't work out, we know whose fault it is.
We'll throw that in the pan there.
So you're using the egg whites, huh?
Yeah, I like egg whites. You know, I used to go through a lot of just regular eggs, and then I found out the benefits of just using egg whites too. And I also incorporate eggs because you want to get a good, moderate amount of fat in your diets too. And a lot of the fat that I get in my diet does come from eggs and also the superfood.
Avocados.
That's right. That's right. We're talking about the avocados. Crack my eggs. Now, I like my eggs to be a little bit runny. Now, some people are texture people, but I'll tell you, I don't mind it. So some people will want to, take a lid and put and cover it so the eggs cook completely.
Okay. Oh, so it's kind of like steaming up. So it's kind of like okay.
Right, but I like mine to be, cooked all the way through with the whites, but leave like just a little skin over the top of the eggs and just get when you puncture it, you get that nice creamy center.
Nice.
We all like a nice creamy center.
And you don't look like a salt and pepper type of guy, so.
Oh, heck no, heck no.
So we're gonna flavor this up with a little bit of that slap your mama. Go ahead and hit them up.
Ace turned me on to the slap your mama, so I gotta represent, and I love this stuff.
And it's occasion season, so it has all your healthy ingredients in there. It has garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, thyme, all in one bottle. So instead of using 12 and 13 different ingredients, you have it all in one bottle.
That's right. So we'll just add the chicken in there too. Let's. You want to add some chicken in? Yeah.
Add some chicken too. Just right over like so.
Yeah, right in there. Just
I've never had an omelet like this. This is kind of like an open face, then, huh?
Yes. Definitely an open face omelet because, like I said, we do it big. We like to eat a lot, so.
A little bit of fresh mushrooms.
Yes, definitely those baby.
And I love it how you don't cook the vegetables. You keep them all nice and fresh, so you really get all the health benefits from them. I get that.
Absolutely, that's a key point. Sometimes I'll cook them down and I'll do them separate. But this is exactly how I make it every morning.
It's like a little omelet pizza or something.
Yes.
Like love it.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
And a little trick too that I learned, and this is a little bit tedious. If you take the stems off of the spinach, it actually makes for a better bite. It's the stem that can tend to be bitter. That's why a lot of people think they don't like spinach. But if you take the stems off, I guarantee you'll love it.
That sounds good to me.
So I topped there with a little bit of cilantro.
Oh yeah, now we're talking.
And then the red onions, I just sliced them really, really thin. So like some
that's the way I do them too. Thank you for that.
Oh, my pleasure.
Yeah.
My pleasure.
Doesn't this look amazing?
It does. Awesome. So that looks like that's pretty much done.
Yes.
That just goes onto the plate. You want to slide it
Yeah,
on
we'll
the
cook
plate?
it right on there.
I think this is a Viking non-stick skillet. You don't need that. It
Oh.
should slide right out of that. Trust me.
Look
Gotta
at
have
that.
some faith, man.
Slide it right on.
Told
Plate
you.
it up.
Just like that.
Look at that. That's beautiful right there.
And then last but not least, we'll top this off with some of this fresh avocado. So, you got your fork and your knife. Only one thing left to do. Let's see how my boy Bill did.
That's right.
All right. Wow, this is a big omelet.
It is, I know, right?
Oh, and I like the fact how it's still got a little bit of runniness in the air and the egg to give it a little bit of liquid.
See?
I love it. I love it.
Amazing. See?
And you don't mind if I say and tell the world this is the breakfast of champions?
Definitely the breakfast of champions.